If you and your spouse have been considering starting a course, particularly for your marriage, well, I think you've come to the right place. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Marriage Catalyst online course. This is a course designed to help you and your spouse grow in your relationship with God and grow in your relationship with one another. We do that by leading you through a series of sessions designed to help you learn, apply, and practice God's Word. We do this in a very simple way. You can take the course from the comfort of your home. You can do one session at a time or a few sessions in one day if you like. There are questions for you to answer. There are activities for you to do together and really compare what you've wrote. But the main thing is that you're growing together. You're growing in a way that helps you see areas that may have been blind spots in the past, but now you're discovering what those things are, and now you have the tools to do something about them. Notice these two things here on the screen. This course, the Marriage Catalyst online course, is designed to help you learn proven principles to build a healthy marriage. Many people are married, but not everyone has a healthy marriage. So here's the question. Is your marriage healthy? Maybe it is. And you say, we have a good marriage, but we want to get better. We want our marriage to continue thriving. This course is for you. Maybe you're at the point in your marriage where you say, our marriage is broken. And to be honest, we've lost hope. Well, this course is also for you. Your marriage doesn't have to remain broken. You can find direction. You can find hope for your relationship, but it requires a commitment on your part and also on the part of your spouse. Notice the second point here below. Learning together and growing together. Learning together and growing together. In your marriage, learning together is essential. Learning together does something for the unity of your marriage, for the intimacy and the communication side of your marriage that other things simply don't do. Couples who learn together stay together. Couples who grow together stay together. And our hope for you during this time is that you'll be able to discover how to grow together in your marriage. If you still have questions, you can text us at 786-554-0312.